It's so bright. I backed up my bike. I'm proud of my light, not just on the bike. I did a solar project that I going up and I got it nailed down. Put some screws onto the upgraded panel installation system I built, and I got now 300 watts of solar panels separate. I'm enjoying them. And yeah, it is what it is. It will work for me doing the job I want to do on this very windy day. I got all my lights and I'm getting another light coming. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be putting that light in the house because that one is 80,000 lumens. And it's going to look just like this. 90,000, 2,600 lumens. I think this is 2,600 lumens. Imagine 80,000 lumens shining down on you. This is a street lamp. It's a little lower than the regular lamp. And yeah, put that light where I want it to be on me. Yeah, you bet, man. I shine like a GoPro star.